Welcome to Kidzhome by Noz.
Hi friends! Are you ready to play a guessing game? Let's listen closely and find out what's the sound. Let's guess the vehicle that's making that sound. Vroom, 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 what zooms by fast? It drives on roads and goes right past. It has 4 wheels and doors that shut. It honks its horn and drives beep, beep, just like that. What goes vroom and beeps on the street? It's a car! It helps put fires out for you. What goes woo-woo, racing fast and loud? It's a fire truck. Honk, 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 it stops with care to pick up kids from here and there. It's big and yellow, full of cheer. It takes us to school every day of the year. What goes honk and rolls down the street? It's the school bus. It flies above with a noisy din. Up in the sky it flies so high. Look up, it's flying by. What goes whir and flies through the air? It's a helicopter. Chug, chug, chug across the field. It pulls and pushes crops to yield. On the farm it works all day, plowing the land in a muddy way. What goes chug on the grassy ground? Choo, 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 hear the whistle blow. The engine's strong, the wheels go slow. It rides on tracks both near and far, from tiny towns to where mountains are. What goes choo, choo, puffin' on rails? It's a train! Zoom, zoom, zoom across the sky. With big wide wings it flies so high. We sit and buckle, wave goodbye. Then up we go into the sky. What's the sound? You guessed it right. Day or dawn, morning or night. Cars and trucks and planes that zoom. Let's guess again real soon. Great guessing, friends, hip hip hooray. Bye bye, keep listening.